Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zoho CRM. Firstly, go to crm.zoho.com and click sign up if you're new or sign in if you have an account. After sign in, Zoho will ask for company name, time zone, currency or industry. Just upload your company logo. Now go to settings, users and control, then users. Click plus add user and enter your team members' mail addresses. Assign them a role and set profiles to control what each user can see or do in the CRM. Modules include leads, contacts, deals, accounts, etc. Go to settings, customization, then modules. Rearrange, rename or hide modules based on your workflow. Add custom fields to capture the data that matters to your business. Then click on a module, click import option and upload your data file. Then map the columns in your file to the corresponding CRM fields. Now go to settings, automation the workflow rules. Create a rule, then go to settings, channels and email, then connect your email and you can also integrate Zoho Books, Zoho Desk and other Zoho apps. Now go to Analytics tab, use pre-built dashboards or create your own for sales, lead conversions, and team performance. Add new leads, track sales, or communicate with your team. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.